Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this short video that you have just watched. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'll be showing you exciting videos that can go viral with time, that you can create for your TikToks, your Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So look at some of them. These are examples of what you can create, and I'm going to show you more. All these are in my channel. Consider subscribing. Let's go into the video. Thank you. So first thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and download this app called Animal Posing. This is the app, and that is the symbol. It has the heads of animals. So let's open it. So it is opening. Once it opens, you will see some animals. Okay, like here now, we have a fowl here, and this is the one I want to use to demonstrate. You can use your hand to change the orientation as you wish. So this camera icon at this left hand side, you can use it to zoom it in and out. So I want to zoom it in a way that I'll be able to screen record it. All right, it is good like this. So if you want to change to any other animal, look at the top left. You will see select pose like this one now. Okay, all right. Look at change. Maybe that is the one. If you want to change to any other animal, like here now, you can see different types of animals. So you can see there are so many of them. So I want to choose a fowl. After clicking on it, you click on apply from the top left. So once that is done, I want to change the background so that I'll be able to knock it out in the video editor. So from bottom menu, you will see background. Click on it and choose green. All right, at this stage now, okay, you click on apply from top left. At this stage, you will now click on select pose from the top left. And this time, what do I want? I want it to walk, so I'll click on walk. So while it is walking, I'll click on apply. At this stage now, you can use your screen recorder to record it, how the way it is walking. Just use your screen recorder. Me, I've already done my recording, so do yours. So once that is done, let's go to CapCut video editor. CapCut video editor, I'll click on CapCut. Okay, it is opening. So once it opens, I'll put a background. Then, all right, so I'll click on new project. New project, I'll click on photos and choose a background, add. All right, it has been added. So let me scroll to the end of this place and remove this watermark. I also click on the background and increase the duration. The duration, I want it to be about 30 seconds. All right, so I'll just increase the duration. The way I'm doing it, you can see it's just when you click on it, use your finger to drag this side towards the right. All right, so I want to choose the format of my video. So to do that, I'll look for ratio. I want it to be in the form of a TikTok video, that is all those YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. So this is 9:16. That is what I want. I'll click on the check mark. Okay, so but you can see that the background is too small. I'll click on the background and I will use my two fingers to enlarge it. You can use your two fingers, drag it outward, just like I have done. You can see that. But I want to also animate the background so that when the fowl is moving, it will not be static in one place. So what I'll do, I'll come to the end of the background. The end of it, I'll drag towards the left and locate the end. Okay, here is the end. Okay, let me start from here. At this position, I'll click on, from here now, where my hand is, this particular square that is inverted, I'll click on it. That is a keyframe. I'll add it. Then I'll scroll to the end of this place, the end of the background. Then I'll drag it towards, just like I'm doing now, to the end of this place, so that it will be as if it is moving backward when the fowl is moving forward. All right, so this is it. All right, so you see now, let me play it. You see now, you see that it is moving backward. At this stage, let me add the file that I've already recorded. I'll click on overlay, add overlay. Then I'll click select videos this time. And I think I have a file here. I'll try and crop it to the position I want. I think, all right. I will try, okay. Let me see if this place is okay. All right, I'll click on check mark and add. It has been added. So let me see if it is okay like this. Let me see where I want to use. Okay, I think I want to start from here. So I'll click on split. All right, I'll delete this part out of it. Then drag it to the beginning. All right, so let me see where it will end. Where I would want it to end. Okay, I want it to end in this position. So I click it and split and delete this part. All right, so next I'll click on the file video and look for edit and crop. I want to remove all those other parts that are not relevant. So I'll crop all those parts out. I'll click on the check mark. All right, good. So it's okay now. So the next thing I want to do is to locate cut out. When the file is selected, I'll choose cut out, then chroma key. I'll put it on green color, then click on intensity. Drag that circle towards the right. It is, you see the green background has gone. But we also notice that the shadow has gone. So I'll click on this shadow here and also drag it so that it will come back. It has come back. I'll click on check mark. All right, you can see our file now working. So at this stage, I want the speed of the file to slow down. So I'll click on speed, normal, and I'll put it at 0.5. Let me check and see how it is. Okay, so I think it is okay like this. So next thing I want to do is let me cut off a part of it. It is too long. Part of it, I'll cut off a part of it. I'll click on the file and split at this point. I'll split and delete that part. Okay. So from here, I'll click on the file, put a keyframe, just look at where my hand is. I'll click on the keyframe. Then at this position, I want the file to be at this point, okay, so that only the head will show. Then I'll take it to the end of it. Then at this point, I want the file to be at the end when it must have disappeared. All right, good. All right, that is what I want. So you see now, the file is moving forward while the background is moving backward. And at this juncture, I want to add the recording that I've done. I'll click on add overlay, then scroll to the video recording that I've done. Video recording of someone in a sitting position. All right, something like this. Then I will click on this point, then split. I want to remove this beginning, and I'll also take it to the beginning of the video. I will also cut off the ending part of it. All right, so the ending part I'll split and delete it off. Okay, so at this point I will click on the human being sit in the sitting position. You can see what I did. You can use complete green background. Just make sure the background at the seat you are sitting is green so that you can easily knock it off. Even the combination of the two colors, it will not work well. But if you want to do a neat job, make sure the seat you are sitting on is on green background. You use a green cloth to cover it, and the wall you use and the floor everywhere should be green. In fact, and in that sitting position. So next, I will locate cut out. This is cut out. I'll locate remove background. The background has been removed. I'll click on the check mark, but you can see the green is still there, right? All right, at this juncture, I want to click on chroma key, then I'll move it to where the green is, the last circle to touch where the green is, and I'll click on intensity, then drag it. Let me take it to somewhere like, I think it is okay like this. It may not be perfect. It may not be perfect. So, all right, so let's start our animation. I'll click on this place and go back. So I also want to animate this person that is sitting on the fowl. So at this point, okay, so let me look at the size. All right, this size will not be too bad. All right, good, good. So at the beginning of the video, the person, you will not be able to see the person, and at this point I'll click on keyframe. I have framed it. So when the fowl is coming forward, at this point you will be seeing the person gradually. So, and when the fowl finally comes here, so let me see, maybe at this point, okay, the person would have been here, and when the fowl has gone, the person would have gone out too. All right, so let's see what we've done. Let's see what we've done. Oh, I will remove the sound from the sound. I will remove volume and turn it to 0. Let's see. You can see that the person is following the fowl. The way the fowl is moving, the person is also moving along. But to animate it further, you can still do some further animation. What do I mean? Maybe the fowl is not, the surface is not just stable. Like this place now, click on the human being. Okay, maybe I'll at this point, there are keyframes already. Yes, at this point, let's locate basic. Check for basic. This is basic. And then you will see x-axis under position. You will see x-axis, y-axis. You can be using the y-axis to animate it up and down. So when it is here, you can drag downward. Then you drag this place. At this point, you drag upward. So the person will not just be in a stable position. It will be as if he's jerking forward, upward, backward, just like that as the fowl moves. So I'll also move it down. You can also use the x-axis to move it both forward and backward. You see what I'm doing? Forward and backward. So I'll click on here, drag it in that position. Let me move it upward a bit. So that is what you can do. Let's see. So it will be as if it is moving, the human being is moving up and down. and not just on a straight line. The fowl is bouncing, so it should be bouncing to use those arrow key, the X and Y tools. So you can also add the sound of a fowl. The sound of a fowl, you can also add it. Let me see this particular one. Okay, so from here, let me split this and delete. So, okay, let me take it to the beginning. So you can hear this. Let's see. Okay, I'll click on this place, then remove the video. I will take the opacity to be 0. All right, so it's as if there is no video on top. So, all right, this is our final video. So I'll be showing you similar videos like this. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I'll be giving you all those hacks, video editing tips, video editing tricks on how to create viral videos for your YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos in order to have high views on your channel. So that is it.